Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Solstice Deluxe massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. Once you have cut away the straps, free the top of the box by pushing in and up on the short ends of the box. Then lift straight up and set aside. Soliciting help will make this process easier. Now let's remove the protective packaging surrounding the chair. Now let's move the chair out of the box space. Cut away the corners of the base. Then, with the help of a partner, help lift the chair up and out of the tray. Slowly lower the footrest and then remove any remaining packing materials. Next, locate the accessory column airbag. In the accessory bag, we have one power cord, the tablet controller, the tablet holder, the assembly guide, the quick start guide, the user manual, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now, remove the tablet holder and screw it into the right arm panel until it's tight. Next, remove the controller tablet from the accessory bag and place it into the remote holder. Now, let's install the seat cushion. Lower the cushion into place, then zipper the closures on both sides of the seat. Then zipper the closure between the seat cushion and the flap on top of the footrest. Next, locate the power cord and connect it into a grounded electrical outlet. Now, plug it into the respective port on the back side of the base of the chair. Flip the main power switch on. To familiarize yourself with the tablet controller, use your phone to scan the QR code printed on the tablet's screen film packaging. This will take you to the Infinity website where you can watch a video tutorial on all the tablet controller features and functions of your new premium massage chair. Scroll down the page to find the Solstice Deluxe controller tutorial. Next, power on the chair by pressing the power button located on the top left side of the controller. Then run an auto program to ensure the chair is working properly. If the chair is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Solstice Deluxe Premium Massage Chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.